7 बार गिरकर 8वीं बार उठ जाना, मौत को बेहद करीब से चूम के आना, दुश्मनों को हराकर सरहद पार अपना तिरंगा लहराना। लोग कहते हैं आदत है हमारी और कुछ कहते हैं जज्बा है हमारा लेकिन सच कहें तो ये हौसला है हमारा।
Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Naval,
26 फरवरी 2019, बालाकोट, पाकिस्तान। आतंकी लॉन्च पैड पर भारतीय वायुसेना ने एयर स्ट्राइक को अंजाम दिया, लेकिन वापस अपनी सीमा की ओर आते समय
All targets destroyed successfully.
Good fiber, guys.
General 3, weapons check.
A bomb has malfunctioned. It's stuck on my right wing.
Yeah, I see it. You need to be very careful while maneuvering.
Copy. Control. Status on F-16s.
F-16 अभी भी तुम्हारे पीछे हैं. On your 102 kilometers. Flying at Mark 2. Relaying live position now.
Copy that. हम ऑलमोस्ट उनकी फायरिंग रेंज में हैं.
Guys, 5 minutes to cross LOC. They can fire anytime.
Anyone got a lock signal?
Negative. F-16s have halted pursuit. वो साउथ की तरफ मुड़ गए हैं. Vector is 180 at 120 kilometers.
They are heading south. हम सैम्स की किल रेंज में हैं. F-16 जैसे उनकी रेंज से बाहर निकलेंगे, they'll launch missiles from the ground.
Launch site की location?
Negative. अभी तक कुछ नहीं है. F-16 को सैम्स की लोकेशन बताओ. So if they've turned back, then we are already in the kill range. Control. Missile launch site estimated between 350 to 60. We can't go straight. We have to turn south now.
You're right. Gibraltar Road. Hard left to 180.
It could be anywhere.
Updating you, Vector. Keep heading 180. 100.
Caution,
Division control.
Caution.
I'm being painted.
Arrow 3. Dropped it too.
caution, caution,
Receiver is still blind.
caution.
Shit. Fire कहीं से भी आ सकता है. Evade, guys. Break formation.
Missile launch.
They're
Missile
fired.
launch.
I've been engaged.
Missile launch.
Anybody got a visual?
Second missile launch. Deploying flares.
Where is it?
Gibraltar 3. Visual contact at 9. 10. Distance of 30 kilometers.
क्या जानते हैं आप इनकी बहादुरी के बारे में? कहाँ से शुरू होता है ये हौसले का जज्बा?
When you see an aircraft flying in the sky, you may assume that it is a solo activity, that a pilot is flying an aircraft. While this is not the case. In flying, there are at least 30 to 50 people who have to involve and integrate various activities pertaining to flying. It involves technicians, ground staff, air traffic controllers, signalers, medical team, firefighters, and these all people have to be in sync and work and display a teamwork.
भारतीय वायुसेना, इंडियन एयरफोर्स, जहां पराक्रम की बात की जाती है वहां भारतीय वायुसेना सबसे पहले आती है। भारतीय वायुसेना अपने साहस, अनुशासन और आत्मविश्वास के लिए जानी जाती है।
कैसी भी परिस्थिति हो, भारतीय सुरक्षा बल शौर्यम दक्षम युधय, बलिदान परम धर्मा को सत्य साबित करती है।
You gain knowledge and experience which is helpful when you become the leader of your team, and then it requires the leadership qualities which are the decision making, professionalism, discipline, and to lead by example. By doing all this, you can prove to be a good leader.
भारतीय सुरक्षा बल इन सारी विशेषताओं से पूर्ण है, और यदि हम भी भारतीय सुरक्षा बल से सीख ले तो हमारे जीवन में भी कुछ ऐसे बदलाव आ सकते हैं।
In the armed forces, effective teamwork is literally a matter of life and death. And teams are taught to value teams over anything else. For many thousands of years, armies have been victorious not because of individual acts of heroism, but through creating the ultimate teams. Leading by example also extends to your commitment to high personal standards. In the forces, expected to live the army's values at all times, either on duty or off. They must demonstrate integrity, self-discipline, courage, loyalty, respect for others and high performance. Otherwise, how can they expect their team to cultivate these qualities themselves?
Teamwork and leadership are the two qualities that has the greatest importance in any part of the world, whether it be in defense, sports, or any other small business. Directly or indirectly, all qualities are connected with the teamwork and leadership. Working as a team, people learn about the strengths and weaknesses of others. It is all about how well you can coordinate with others. The better the coordination, the better is the team. It also helps to develop other skills and to maintain decorum in our day-to-day life. Thus, teamwork and leadership is the key to success.